And this is Siddharth. Welcome you all to today's blog. Now, many days gone, I have made so many blogs but unable to post any due to certain difficulties and time constraint and all. But I am here with a very short and interesting topic to tell you about how to handle the early morning wake ups issues. So, most of you maybe are working professionals, maybe engineers, maybe doctors, maybe pilots, maybe everybody, and mostly pilots are active because they know they have a roster like that is so solid that they have a body movement of that. But generally, in general term, if you have to wake up early in the morning, so the easiest step that you do is you sleep early in the night and you calculate the amount of time that you sleep. Maybe for about 6 hours if you're sleeping, you calculate 6 hours prior to your get up time, so that you have that comfort amount of sleep, so that it will be easy for you to gain momentum and get up early and get ready for it. But in general thing, what happens is you start facing issue when you have to get up every day regularly on that same time. The easier thing that you can do easily is to do one simple stuff is get up early in the morning, or have 3 alarms set at 5 minutes interval, and by the third alarm you have to wake up and get out of the bed. Then the second thing you will have to do is go get up something called a glass of chilled water or a regular tap water and drink that. So that will give you immediately the cleanse up. Then go out and have some fresh air, come back, have your brush, go out for a walk, okay, splash some cold water on your face, drink another glass of water, and then get back to your stuff. Do some yoga or some exercises or some plan and walk something, so you sweat out, then you will not feel that easy, and then wash out. Once you're back from your regular workout and exercises, have another glass of chilled water, and then go for a quick shower. Maybe if you're keen on taking a hot water shower, take it, but during the end of that last 30 seconds or 40 seconds, make sure to have cold water shower, so that your body muscles will be active and relaxed. And then once you're out of your shower, have another glass of chilled milk. That is basically to give you that quick metabolism and quick build up and quick chill. That's what I follow. I don't know how it is for you, because it might be different for you, but generally when I am alone or I am out, I will do that. And then you have a cup of tea or coffee, maybe preferably black or preferably chilled, so that it will give you the boost and it will give you the quick. And then keep following the roster for about a week's time or for about 2 weeks time, and then automatically your body will be adjusted to both time, the standard time that you are getting up and the time that you will be getting up like this. Because once your body is adapted to that same time of get up, you will automatically get up, your eyes will automatically open up, you don't need any kind of support or anything. So that's how it is. As long as you get comfort in the bed and everything, that is good for you. So that's how it is. And thank you all for watching today's blog, and this was a very quick blog and with a very quick message, and it was just a trial to see how the record option works in YouTube. And yes, do check out my channel Siddharth World on YouTube, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel Siddharth World on YouTube and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. And please, when you press the bell icon, please do select all option, not the personalized option. All option means anytime I push a video, it will be given to you live. Second most important thing is you can follow me on all the social media platform, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. All IDs will be given, and all IDs are there in my bio profile link. You can go and you can check out. Third important thing, do check out skiradworld.com website for all the latest updates, information and offerings. And fourth important stuff is to like the video. And fifth information is thank you to all my 28 subscribers in YouTube. I'm very proud that my channel is growing day in day out. Yes, we are coming up with a lot of content, lot of build-ups, and yes, we are getting up a very, very, very good and very big website. Thank you very much for watching. See you bye-bye next time, and do check all the details on my blog and on my channel. Thank you very much.